Hi, in front of me is Umidigi S3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on System. Now language is an input, virtual keyboard and your current keyboard, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and click on Show More to see all available options. Now you can pick a color. Tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and click Apply. You can also download one of the images and do the same. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!